I like to think that one of the ways to stay alive is to learn. Looking into what's available and participating keeps us alive intellectually, curious and satisfied.
OLLI is an acronym standing for the Osher Lifelong Learning Institute. It's designed for people 50 and older, and as that name suggests, it's all about lifelong learning.
It's a program for our community and beyond now that we have virtual capabilities, but providing programming and trips, special interest groups.
In some cases, we offer courses that have an instructor in person in the classroom, and then they're also available online through Zoom.
And the instructors are volunteers, so we have a wide range of instructors in various topics.
My wife and I often find in looking at the catalog for a session, we want to sign up for so many things that there are schedule conflicts, but whether it's new ideas, whether exploring old ideas, there's something basically for everybody.
In 2010, when I joined, there was a Tai Chi class. It was a physician, pathologist. She was teaching classes on chocolate, tea, coffee, jewelry.
Of course, OLLI is a social opportunity. It's not only the Jews, the Catholics, the Methodists, or the Baptists, or the Presbyterians, it's everybody. And so you see all those different folks.
Social isolation is poison for your brain.
You have the pleasure of learning together as much or as little as you want in whatever style is natural for you. You don't have homework, and you don't have exams, and you don't have grades.
An educational program that targets people who are 50 and above, how cool is that? That often, 50 and above, that's when you're kind of left out of some things. But no, this is for us.
Try a class today with OLLI at WVU. Visit olli@wvu.org for more information.